Hello everyone. In this video I just wanted to run through a quick demonstration of meta-linguistic analysis. This is basically, I have a description right here. Meta-linguistic analysis is a technique that focuses on examining language at a higher level, going beyond surface level meaning of words and sentences. Instead, it aims to understand how language is used, interpreted, and understood in different contexts. MLA plays a crucial role in various fields and has several practical applications. I just have this Jupyter notebook spun up, and what we're going to do is just run through each cell. Right. So this just turns off all the warnings in the Jupyter notebook, so you don't have to worry about that. Here's where I load my libraries, and then here's the function. Tokenize words, tokenize the sentences, then I calculate the number of words, number of sentences, average sentence length, remove all the stop words to get a better word count for the vocabulary size. Then I catch the word frequency, the most common words, the total word length, the average word length, if there's any questions asked, and then I just did any words that start with a capital letter. And what I end up doing after that is I print all of this out to the screen. So the purpose of this, once again, is just to analyze a block of text and see what other insights we can extract from it. I just have natural language processing as a subfield of linguistics, computer science, little blurb in the text, and that's what we're going to pass into our function and print out the output. Let's see what we have. And so here's our high-level meta-linguistic analysis. There's 140 words, 7 sentences. Average sentence length is 20 words. The vocabulary size is 58, so there's 58 unique words. The most common words, language, meta-linguistic, and it gives the count. Average word length is 4.19 characters. There are no questions. There are 6 sentences that start with a capital letter. Take from this what you will, but this is just one way to kind of enhance your content analysis from a perspective of if you're a content provider. That's just one way to use meta-linguistic analysis to get even more insight into your high-performing posts or your high-performing articles, high-performing headlines versus your low-performing content that gets generated. Thank you again. This is Falcon.AI with a tutorial on meta-linguistic analysis.